In these modern times, it's sure to say that most of the people have their own smartphones and use them differently for different purposes. But the one thing that each person in common used the mobile phone is for contacting people. That's also the main aim for the invention of a telephone by Graham Bell in the year 1876. But have you ever asked yourself a simple question? Why does a mobile phone number have only 10 digits? Not more than 10, not 11, 12, but 10, and not even less than 10. Let's find out. When phone systems were being automated around the year 1900s, engineers like Claude Shannon and Bell Labs needed a system that could be pressed by early switching machines, that could serve millions of users, but still memorable for humans. They tested various lengths of numbers, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits, but they discovered that 10-digit number allowed full national dialing with area codes, and the average human short-term memory holds about 7 to 10 digits comfortably. So a 10-digit number fits right at the edge of what's easy to memorize, especially when grouped in threes and fours. A 10-digit number without country code gives about 10 to the power 9 possible combinations, because the first digit is restricted, often not 0 or 1. This means that 1 billion unique phone numbers per country, which is more than enough for most national populations, especially like Indians and US. If it were 9 digits, then the total number of phone numbers that can accommodate a country is only 10 to the power 8, which is equal to 100 million numbers, which might be a few numbers for countries like India or US. If it were 11 digits, then 10 to the power 10 will be equal to 10 billion, and that will be a plenty phone numbers, but harder to remember and dial. So 10 digits is the sweet spot both practically and mathematically. A 10-digit contact number can be split like 987, 654 and 3210. It is not a random number, but it's organized for routing and management. For example, in the US or India, first 3 digits, let's say like 987, stands for the area or the telecom circle code, and the next 3 digits, 654, stands for the exchange code or the provider identifier, and the last 4 digits, maybe 3210, stands for the user's unique line number, and that's a total of 10 digits. If this is the case, you might wonder, some numbers from one country might coincide with another number from the other country. But that is also taken care of, because countries uses the country codes at the beginning of a 10-digit number. Like +91 is a country code for India, +1 is the country code for the US, and some other countries use a country code like +88, +44, and so on. As the 10-digit format is a national standard and not a global one. Mobile numbers have 10 digits, so that there are enough unique combinations for everyone, while keeping numbers easy to manage and remember. Claude Shannon's theory from 1948 shows that every digit carries about 3.32 bits of information, which is equivalent to log 10 to the base 2. That is, a 10-digit number can carry about 33 bits of information. Just to keep note here that 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. It also used the concept of graph theory to ensure the phone system can route signals efficiently through network edges. And that's the beauty of mathematics in contact numbers.